The animal kingdom is full of wonders, from the smallest of creatures to the tallest of giants. They all have unique characteristics that make them special. Today, we will take a closer look at some of the most fascinating animals and explore their diets, shelters, and habits in this video. Let's start with dogs. Dogs are man's best friend. They come in all shapes and sizes and are known for their loyalty and affection towards their owners. But did you know that they are omnivores? They eat both meat and vegetables to maintain a healthy diet. Cats, on the other hand, are carnivores. They require a diet high in protein to keep their energy levels up. They're also known for their agility and hunting skills. Giraffes. The giraffe with its long neck is a herbivore. They feed on leaves and buds of trees and shrubs. They also have a unique way of drinking water by spreading their front legs apart and bending down to reach the water. The next animal is cows. Cows are herbivores and are known for their milk and beef production. They're social animals and live in groups called herds. They require a large amount of space and need shelter to protect them from harsh weather conditions. Rabbits. Rabbits are herbivores and feed on grass and vegetables. They are known for their soft fur and are popular pets. They require a secure shelter to protect them from predators. Buffaloes. Buffaloes are herbivores and feed on grass and hay. They are strong and powerful animals and are used for plowing fields in some countries. They also require a shelter to protect them from extreme weather conditions. Hen. Hen are omnivores and feed on grains, seeds, and insects. They are known for their eggs, which are a rich source of protein. They require a shelter to protect them from predators and to keep them warm during cold weather. Elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth and are known for their intelligence and social behavior. They are herbivores and consume up to 300 pounds of vegetation per day. Lions. Lions are the only truly social cats and are known for their majestic mane. They are carnivores and hunt in packs to take down prey. Dolphins. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine animals and are known for their playful behavior. They are carnivores and feed on fish, squid, and crustaceans. Otters. Otters are small furry animals that live in or near water. They are playful and social animals that love to swim and play. They eat fish, shellfish, and other aquatic animals. Hippos. Hippos are large semi-aquatic mammals that live in Africa. They spend most of their time in water and come onto land at night to graze. Despite their size, they can run up to 30 meters per hour on land. They are herbivores and eat grass, leaves, and fruits. Horses are large majestic animals and have been domesticated by humans for thousands of years. They are used for riding, racing, and working. They are herbivores and eat grass and hay. They can run up to 55 meters per hour. Tigers. Tigers are large carnivorous cats that are found in Asia. They are the largest of all cats and are known for their beautiful stripes. They are solitary animals and hunt at night. They eat deer, wild pigs, and other animals. Chickens. Chickens are small domesticated birds that are raised for their meat and eggs. They are omnivores and eat grains, insects, and other small animals. Pigs. Pigs are domesticated animals that are raised for their meat, which is commonly known as pork. They are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including grains, fruits, and vegetables. Goats. Goats are small domesticated mammals that are raised for their milk, meat, and hides. They are herbivores and eat grass, hay, and vegetation. Sheep. Sheep are domesticated mammals that are raised for their wool, meat, and milk. They are herbivores and eat grass, hay, and other vegetations.